For the rows, I want to use a font called Brushstroke. It is a connected font. So I downloaded it. Now I have to copy it in the Windows folder. I just selected Windows Fonts, the Brushstroke font, just copy, and it's done. Let's have a look what it looks like. Now typing the text. Text tool, Brushstroke font, bold 56. I give the name a big outline. Right click, size 8, select, choose path, outline to path, double click. You see the blue lines. Select all together, holding the shift key. Okay, got it. Select, reunion, select it, I missed the O. That's it. So I just need the outline here. It doesn't matter if the O is broken up. So now I take the outline, move it, I think that's good. Select it, select the rows, path, reunion. That's it. Now I delete Olivia. And now I write the Olivia text again. Select it. Oh, okay, that seems to be good. This is what it will look like when it's finished. But this is a second layer, so I have to save it in a second file. For that, I will highlight it, delete again, and save this file. Olivia cut. Now I undo the deleting and I delete the rows. Understand. The name Olivia is still on the right place. I save. Olivia carving. Now I have two files, one for carving and one for cutting. The bad thing is you need to have a PNG file. The Inkscape will save SVG, and there's a problem by exporting to PNG. For this I have to use another program because I want to save this Olivia as PNG. You have to use the PNG in the LaserGRBL program because you can fill it in the lines. When you choose SVG, you will just carve an outline, and that is not what I want. So I use a program Paintshop. I don't know what program do you have at home, or maybe you find an online converting tool, SVG to PNG. I open Olivia carving. Okay. And save as I just choose it, Olivia carving PNG. Save. That's it. Now I can use it in LaserGRBL. I just zoomed in, select the knots, place two more knots, I select this two knots and I break up the line. Same here, select and hold, break up the line. Now choose the other knots, remove, I select this two, add a new line, and that's it. Okay, I can remove these two buttons, two knots. I don't need. That's it. Just save. Olivia cut to layers. Maybe I can move it a bit around on the screen. Maybe I don't waste much wood when I cut. Select the stand. Oops. I group the stand before I move. No. It's already. I will move the rows to a better position on the screen. So I do not waste so much wood by cutting. Okay, that's it. Saving again. Olivia cut 2 layers. Okay. So, starting LaserGRBL. Open file. Olivia cut 2 layers. The speed is okay. 220. Power 900. That looks good. I append a second file. Olivia carving PNG. Vectorize. Filling. Choose filling. 5 lines. That's okay. Speed, maybe 1400. Power 180. Go. And you see Olivia fits perfectly. So now let's cut. The Olivia rose is finished. Cheap wood. Oh, that's going. So, painting and gluing together. The painting is finished. Now we can put them together.